Want to sleep like a baby? You must try shavasana. Lie down on your mat. Back should be straight. Take a deep breath in. Slow, slow. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale. Stand your body. Head to toe. Toe to head. Relax. 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 Relax your each and every body part. Relax. Relax your head, your facial muscles. Relax. 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 Relax your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Relax. Relax your chest, your abdomen, entire pelvic region. Relax. 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 Relax your thighs, your knees, calf muscles. Relax. 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 Relax your chest, your abdomen, entire pelvic region. Relax. 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 Relax your thighs, your knees, calf muscles. Relax. 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 Relax your ankles, sole of the palm. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Slow, slow. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. Slowly, gently move your fingers and toes. Bring your hands over your head. Interlock your fingers and stretch, stretch, stretch. One more time. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Now sit down with the help of your elbows.